Now that the roads and highways have opened up, most of us will be taking our friends and family out on a holiday. But instead of taking a flight, I prefer driving down. So I'm all set for my first driving destination to clear my mind and have some driving fun. Road trips are a great idea, especially in the current scenario. I mean, we are all stressed with the lockdown and all that it made us go through. And today, I'm taking the Audi A6 45 TFSI from Pune to Mahabaleshwar. And I just can't wait to get out of the city. The plan is to chill in the scenic locations of Mahabaleshwar for a couple of days, away from the urban chaos. The other attraction, at least for me, is the well-paved highways and the entertaining Ghat section where I could put the Audi's prowess to test. The sun gradually raised its head from behind the clouds and the golden light brilliantly lit up the bold lines and creases of this luxury saloon. And that cabin, it looks mesmerizing in this pre-dawn darkness thanks to the mood lighting and the excellent detailing. The generous space here seems good enough to maintain social distancing too. Upon getting the chance, I made full use of the peppy 2-liter turbo petrol engine. The refinement of this engine and the quality of cabin insulation is really impressive. For a large and spacious luxury sedan, it's rather light on its feet and comfortably maintains 3-digit speeds. Our first stop was at Harrison's Folly, a tableland where you can park your car and get a great view of the Western Ghats. This is as picturesque as it can get. With hardly any travel fatigue, we decided to check in at Dina Hotel in Mahabaleshwar and head out once again. The Vena Lake is one of the most popular spots where some enjoy meandering in boats while kids get an exhilarating experience riding horses. But we needed none of that because our luxury saloon sailed like a ship and has no less than 245 horses under that bonnet. However, relishing some fresh fruits with cream at the nearby Bagicha restaurant was more up our alley. And we also made the customary stop at the Mapro Gardens. Breathing in the fresh air practically recharged our body and soul. This has been a lot of fun. This is exactly what I needed, a weekend getaway to clear my head, especially after months of lockdown. And I'm very impressed with the Audi A6, the performance, the ride quality and the excellent cabin comfort. And now that I'm all ready and rejigged for life, I think it's time for me to sign out.